Okay, students. Now consider the excess reagent that we have discussed the in the next last video. Limiting reagent, the reactant in a chemical reaction that limit the amount of product formed is called limiting reagent. And now consider the excess reagent. The reactant taken in the large amount, which remains unreacted in the chemical reactions, is called excess reagent or excess reactant. Okay, reagent which is taken in the large amount and which remains the unreacted in the chemical reactions is called excess reagent. Okay. Uh, Next point is ways to expressing the concentration of the solutions. There are four ways used to express the concentration of the solution. First is mass percent, also called weight percent. Second is the mole fraction. Third way for expressing the concentration of solution is the molarity. And fourth way is the uh, molality. So these are the four ways by which the concentration of solutions can be expressed. So there are four ways to express the concentration of the solution. Which are four ways? Mass percent, also called weight percent, mole fraction, molarity, and molality. Molarity and molality. These four ways are important to express the concentration of the solution. Now consider the first way. What is the mass percent or what is the weight percent? Uh, First we consider the solute and solvent. What is the solute and what is the solvent? And then we consider the mass percent. Okay. Consider if we have made the sugar solutions. We have made the sugar solution. Make the sugar solution. Okay. What happens when sugar is dissolved in the water? Then sugar is called solute. Okay, sugar is called solute and water is called solvent. So solution is made up of the two component. One is called solute, another is called solvent. Okay, म्हणजे सोल्युशन हे दोन घटकांनी बनलेलं असतं. एक म्हणजे सोल्यूट आणि दुसरं म्हणजे सॉल्वंट. जे आपण डिझॉल्व करतो त्याला म्हणायचं सोल्यूट आणि ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण डिझॉल्व करतो त्याला म्हणायचं सॉल्वंट. की जसं की आपण पाण्यामध्ये साखर विरघळवतो. काय विरघळवलं आपण? साखर विरघळवली म्हणून साखरेला आपण सोल्यूट म्हणायचं. आणि कशामध्ये विरघळली आपण? पाण्यामध्ये विरघळवली म्हणून पाण्याला काय म्हणायचं? सॉल्वंट म्हणायचं. म्हणजे सोल्युशन कशाने बनलेलं आहे? एक सोल्यूट आणि एक सॉल्वंट. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड? ओके, नाव कन्सिडर mass percent. Mass of solute in gram. What is the unit of the mass of solute? Gram or kilogram. We can use the gram, also we can use the kilogram. So mass of solute in gram or kilogram present in the 100 gram or 100 kilogram of solution is called mass percent or weight percent. Okay, what is the mass percent? Mass of solute in a gram or kilogram dissolved in or present in 100 gram or 100 kilogram solution is called as a mass percent or weight percent. Now second way is the second way expressing the concentration of solution is the mole fraction. X mole. What is the mole fraction? Mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles of particular component to the total number of moles of solution. So it is the ratio of the number of moles of any component to the total number of moles of solution. Now consider if substance A, we have the substance A. Substance A is dissolved in substance B. We have taken the substance A and this substance A is dissolved in the substance B. Okay, and moles of the A and B are Na and Nb. What are the moles of A and B? Substance A and substance B. Mole of substance A is the Na and mole of substance B is the Nb. Okay, here Na and Nb. Then mole fraction of A. What is the mole fraction of A? Number of moles of A divided by total number of moles of solutions. Okay, this is called mole fraction of A. Number of moles of A divided by the total number of moles of solutions. What is the total number of moles of solution? Total number of moles of solution is the Na plus Nb, because they have the two components, substance A and substance B. So total number of moles of solution is the Na plus Nb. And what are the number of moles of A? Number of moles of A is Na. So mole fraction of A is the Na divided by Na plus Nb. Okay.